Hello everyone, this is Loic Monthe. I'm so happy to have you on this video today. I'm so grateful to God for the fact that you actually purchased this thing, this particular program of mine, and for going and for being anywhere around this particular ecosystem, like this course, like anywhere. Maybe you're in the importation course, maybe you're watching this thing from the digital marketing program, maybe you're watching this thing from the elite members program or the inner circle members. Guys, I want to be straightforward, clear, and direct to the point. Depending on wheresoever you're inside this thing, you feel yourself extremely welcome, and I'm very grateful for the fact that you trusted in me and you decided to pay for this particular program. So we all know one thing that is very clear, which is we have an on-site training program happening on Sundays and Saturdays. Is coming very soon. Right now, as of today's date, the 13/10/2025. Woo! Right now, as of today, we have 4 locations actually: Yaoundé, Douala, and Boya. Very soon, Bamenda is coming, and very soon, Bertoua and the West region, the Bafang, Bafoussam, these regions that are also going to be there. And then we're going to see very soon again Far North region that is going to be also into our coaching program. So, depending on wheresoever you are inside this thing, I decided to do one thing. By the way, this is one of the groups in which I am with my accountant alone. So, and this is the transactions proof from payments of people, payments. So depending on wheresoever you are inside this ecosystem and how much you pay to actually have access to this program, you are going to have some limited access as full access to doing certain things. And those things are going to be as easy as the following. Number one, those of you who are inside the importation program alone and you're watching this here in the importation program only, the importation program is you guys have only access to the importation course, only access to that. I'm so happy, and I'm happy that you have access to it, but you have only access to importation. It means if you want to start selling the importation course, you will not have access to my videos, you will not have access, you don't have the right to sell the course itself. So there are limitations, by the way. So importation course, there are limitations to it. It's going to cost the actual price right now is 25,000 francs CFA. You don't have the right to resell the course. Now, for those of you who are inside the digital marketing program, you have access to digital marketing, importation, and Facebook advertisement, and you have the right also to resell the course itself, to resell my program itself, and you have access to all my videos, every single thing about it, and it is 50,000 francs CFA. For digital marketing online version and digital marketing offline versus online version, digital marketing completely online, you have access to it for 50,000 francs CFA, and digital marketing online and offline version of it, like you go to a physical location and train you how to do all those things that are there, you have access to it for 70,000 francs CFA, the offline version. And then, by the way, there is another program that is actually coming. That is the reason why I'm making this video, to make it official and to have access to all the students who are in the program, that they should know that they now can be able to resell the course of the high-end coaching program. I call those people the inner circle members. Guys, these things are not going to finish it like 400 proof of payment. So I call those people the inner circle members. Remember what I said from the beginning. Importation alone, 25,000 francs CFA. The people who are in the 50,000 francs CFA to 70,000 francs CFA program have the right to resell any of the programs, but you do not have the right to resell my course if you are on the 25,000 francs CFA alone. You do not have the right. I'm very sorry, but that is how business is. The 50,000 francs CFA have full right to resell it. The commission is going to stay the same. 50,000 francs CFA you have for 50,000 francs CFA, you keep 30,000, I keep 20,000 francs CFA. Remember, there's a volume of work that some of you are thinking is just a joke. We're here to be playing around. Sometimes my voice goes completely because I have like 50 people to talk to at the same time even, and I do that alone. So I really want you to understand that there is going to be difficulties. There are difficulties that I'm facing only because I'm doing this commission system, and there are rents to pay, there are staff to pay to go and teach it, the people there on spot, and so many things I don't even want to enter the details of. Where that 20,000, like for every 50,000 francs, if I make 20,000 francs from your sales, 20,000 francs comes into my pocket. From that 20,000 francs, I have to pay the admins, the student coaches. I have to pay the student coaches. I have to pay the transport, not paying them first for their time, paying their transport, paying the water, the food, everything that they're supposed to eat there on the spot, paying the electricity and the house and the location rent. And then comes now after that the 1 million francs CFA program, which is going to cost 1 million francs CFA, but I decided to make 2 payments of one payment of 250,000 francs CFA and the second payment of 750,000 francs CFA once we generate at least 1.5 million francs CFA. Let me just say 1 million francs CFA from the program, because I really want you to start by generating 1 million francs CFA, and then you pay part of the money, and then you generate another 500,000 francs CFA, you pay another part, generate like 5. I can stand and understand that, because those people, they're not coming to joke. So we're going to have, for now, it is still going to be 250,000 francs CFA first payment, and then I'll pay the rest. Also, there's something that I decided to implement, because some people are very wicked with me. I decided to make sure that if you do not pay the complete money for the program, you don't have access to the entire program. I'm very sorry about it, but this is exactly what is going to happen as from now. You have access to the mindset videos only. That's all. If you do not pay all the money for all the program, you have access only to the mindset videos, nothing more. And don't be surprised, this is the way it is. And the refund policy is going to be like if after 2 days into the program, after 24 hours already in the program, if you're not asking for any refund after 24 hours, then you are losing 50% of the money that you already invested in, because there's too much work to do. After 3 days maximum to the program, you're asking for a refund, you're having less than 25% of anything you invested, you're going to be giving back. So this is very important that you clearly understand it. Another thing also is that the on-site training program is going to be done in such a way that the people who are going for the on-site training program for the 25,000 fans, I'm not going to be coaching them anymore again. There's too much work, so I'm going to be limiting it to, they are going to be inside the WhatsApp group, and then the people that are going to be coaching you are going to be the student coaches, because I took a lot of time to train them, and I'm going to be coaching you guys for me. I'm going to be present in the group, I'm going to be reading the message, I'm going to be reading what you guys are going to be sending in all the groups, but I'm going to intervene as soon as I have some 1 or 2 minutes. But there are some other people that have to intervene and attend to, and these are the high-end coaching programs. The people that are paying a lot more money, they need my attention a lot, and the people that are paying cheap, I do not neglect it, but they do not take. They have proven to me, like I have more than 1,500 people that have proven to me that they really cannot take the time to watch the video that I asked them to watch. Please, what should I do? I have finished watching the video. I saw a video where you were saying that we should send you our email address. Should I send you my email address? Look at the kind of things that people are asking me. You saw a video where I was saying that when you finish watching this video, send me your email address, and then they will come and ask me if they should send me their email address. You will understand what is happening. With the people who pay more money, they don't do that kind of thing. They don't waste my time that way. And so we have a lot of people on my list, and then I cannot waste time to be repeating that, yes, do the email, send me the email, and then you send me the email. This is waste of time, waste of energy. I prefer to be standing there and to be assisting you. And then also, as I said, to make money with the program is not going to be easy is even as from the beginning. If you just put a little bit more energy, some of you are not willing to put a little energy, you will see the volume of money you can make. The commission is 60% commission until, like, to sell the on-site training program and to sell the 50,000 and 70,000 fans program. It's 60 to 40. I keep 40, you keep 60. Now the commission goes the other way around now for the high-end coaching program, because that program is $1 million francs CFA. So if you sell that program by giving them my content and by sending them to one of my events and be doing anything, then you have 40% commission, I have 60% commission. This is what is going to happen, because that one is a 6 months program. It's a 6 months program, and the videos are not made. There's no video that I've produced. I'm just doing coaching with them. My timetable respects their timetable. So do you understand what it means? If somebody says it's available as from 9 p.m, I am going to be available at 9 p.m. because of that thing. So there's no way that we can go around this thing. I decided to make just a 40-60, 40 for you now for the high-end coaching program, 40 for you for the high-end coaching program, 60 for information for the low-end 40-60% briefly understood. So that is the way it is. 60% for me for the 1 million fancy program, and then 40% for you. That is what is going to happen. And the commission also is always going to be paid completely for elite formation. So I'm not going to be doing the thing that I was doing before, that before the customer pays all the money before I collect my commission, and then I'm behind people holding. It's now going to be your complete duty, because some of you have proven, and this is things that when I came in the first time, I was doing these things and I was putting in my energy to assist students who have proven to me that they don't want my help. They don't want my help. They are not willing to do what I ask them to do. They are not willing to follow instructions. And when I give instructions, I say, hey, let's launch advertisement on this particular day. You do not tell me that you launch advertisement and then we find ourselves in your block, because of some people are not doing what they're supposed to do. So the very last thing that I want to say in this video is the following. Those people who are in the middle, we have the cheap program, 25,000 pounds every Sunday. Very soon the date is also going to change. I'm going to announce you the expensive program, the middle program of 50 to 70,000 pounds for everything, and then the elite members who are going to do exactly the inner circle members. The elite members are the middle people. The people that are going to be the inner circle members are the people that are paying 1 million fancy. Those are the inner circle. Those are the people that are doing the exact thing that I'm doing. They want to do the exact same thing that I'm doing. This is what I'm doing them, and they cannot generate less than 5 million a month. There's no way around that. That is for them. So, and then the people in the middle, they are going to do what they can do, and they are going to put in energy. And if they are serious, they can even do more than 5 million a month. If they are serious, this is what's going to happen. So now, how do you make money very, very fast with the program? That's the last thing for this video. How do you make money very, very fast with this particular program? The way is very easy. The people in the middle, I'm talking to you, because the high-end coaching program, they have something different. It's also for them also. But this is the this is the way you do that. You run advertisement and you let me know that you run advertisement, because if you don't tell me, If you do not tell me, all the people that you're going to run advertisement for the on-site training program are going to be standing. They are not even going to enter, and you are going to lose money, and I'm going to let them know that it is your fault, it's not my fault. So let me know when you're running advertisement. Hey, Mr. Monthe, I'm running advertisement this week for the on-site training program, and then that's it. So let me know, give me the list of the people, because all those people want to pay on-site. So if you don't tell me, oh, I just see a bunch of people coming and then they pay on-site, thank God, it is free money for me, because you did not tell me nothing. So that is the thing. And then when they come now, I'll not precipitate the people on site to go and find chairs for them, and then I will not even tell you that. I will not even give you the list, because I will not know that you launch advertisement. So let me know once you want to run advertisement for the on-site training program. So now, how does it go? You just joined the program today. This is your very first day in the program. Launch, go and watch the video, especially, okay, this is the middle people. So you launch up, you go and watch the video for Facebook advertisement. Collect one of my videos from the step 4. Step 4, there's a link that I sent you was step 1 to step 5. All the bonuses are standing there in step 4. In the bonuses, read those PDF, go to step 5, learn, go to step 4. Maybe I'm very, very fast. You just joined the program. You joined the program this morning. You want to make money as fast as possible. How do you do that? You go inside the links that I sent to you. In one of those links, you receive the bonuses. It's a link that is ending with the name digital course. That link, you click on it, you open step 1 to step 5. It is written there, step 1 to step 5. You click on step 4. It will bring you to a PDF with all the bonuses. That PDF contains the links to go to all the different places, how to run advertise, many different things. You collect videos. The videos, there's a link inside that PDF that you click and you will see the videos. You download some of my videos that I use to run advertisement, my videos that you saw on Facebook before you click, or you came here, on Instagram before you click and came here. You download those videos on your phone or your computer, and you use the knowledge you learn in module number 5. Module number 5, not step 5, module number 5. Module number 5, if you bought the course and I sent you on WhatsApp, it is directly on WhatsApp. That all the 18 links. There are 18 links. You learn all those 18 links. If you are feeling like you're blocked on those 18 links, there are 10 extra links below on the, as from the link number 18 downward, there are 10 extra links. Those ones are video made directly by me. You learn the Facebook advertisement, you collect my videos, you run advertisement, and you tell all your people using information you found in step 4. Information you found in step 4. You run you tell the people sweet things about the on-site training program or the online training program, which is 50,000 francs CFA, or you sell the on-site training program, which is 25,000 francs CFA, and they have to pay as they reach there, or they have to pay before reaching there. Write in your book the list, the complete list of the people that are coming. Is it Bamenda, is it Douala, is it Boya, depending on the new information that I'll give you in the group. That if any location is already open, I'll give the information in the group, or make a call, I'll give the information again. And then you write in your list the different telephone numbers, the name, this information, and the payment that they're supposed to do on site. And then when they come on site, you already told me that they were your people that were coming on that place, and that's as easy as that. You will make money with the program. People come on the on-site training program, you remove from the 25,000 francs, 10,000 francs for me, that I will remove, and then I'll send you your 15,000 francs. Let me put it that way. It's going to be like that's the way it is. So I'll send you 15,000 francs, and then I'll remove 10,000 francs. I'll pay the rent, the coach charge, the student coaches, and all the things, that the printing of documents and what are everything that are standing, the chairs, everything. So this is what is happening. So this is how you can run advertisement Monday to Friday, and then now people come on the Sunday now. On the Saturday and Sunday, you remind them again that, hey, don't forget that you said you were supposed to come on Sunday for this, because most of them forget. You call them and remind them, and then they don't come, and then when they come now, they will pay on site. This is how, if you're really serious, $5 a day advertisement, you can make a bunch of people coming there for a week. $25, which is 16,500, 16,275 francs. If you run advertisements for 16,000 francs under 4 days, under 5 days, and you will see a bunch of people coming on the on-site training program and pay the 25,000 francs. The nice thing is that you can negotiate the price, but my commission stays the same. So you can tell them, hey, you can pay 25,000 francs, and then they'll pay 25. You can tell them, hey, you can pay 50,000 francs for the on-site training program, and then you let me know that you have told this person that is supposed to pay 50,000 for the on-site training program, and my commission stays the same. But if you drop down the price to, like, maybe they can pay 15,000 francs for 12,000 francs, and then they say yes, they want to pay, my commission stays the same. So for the on-site training program, they are receiving only importation costs, only that one. If they really want an extra, then they are going to pay 50,000 francs to learn exactly everything: digital marketing, importation, physical advertisement, and the right to resell the course. And then there's another session for them again on that same Sunday. We are going to, I'm going to let you know in another video, but this is how it goes. On that same Sunday, they have access to the rest of the information for 50,000 francs CFA, and you can still remain with 30,000 francs CFA, and I remain with 20,000 francs CFA, which is the commission that I'm having. If you're selling the high end, the 50,000 francs CFA program, if you're selling the importation course, this is 25,000 francs that you're supposed to make from, you're supposed to collect from the people. And once you collect 25,000 francs, I have 10,000 for elite formation, 10,000, and then the remaining 15,000 is yours. So this is the information I wanted to communicate to you. It is as clear as pure water. Use it. take it and maybe very, very, very serious with the program. You will make a huge ton of money if you do exactly what I asked you to do in the deadlines. Some of you are not willing to do what I asked you to do. And welcome to the club of failures. Those who are winning and successful and are crushing the market, like some of my students are doing in the program that I'm seeing them doing. Yeah, we thank God. And if you can check it, you will see it in this particular group. You will see, for example, 404 different screenshots that are standing there. 404 different screenshots standing there. This is only for a few days ago. So there is money in this thing. There is a lot of money in this thing. Do what you're supposed to do. God bless you abundantly.